Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Tuesday, January 13, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Good morning, Alex. How are you today?
Good morning, David. I am fine, thanks. And you?
I am very good, but I need coffee. I am always tired in the morning.
I understand. Me too. The coffee machine is very popular today.
Yes, it is. Everyone is sleepy. Is your project going well?
Yes, it is going well. But we are very busy. We have a deadline in 2 days.
Oh, wow, that is soon. You work very hard, Alex.
I try my best. And you, how are sales?
Sales are okay. January is a slow month. People do not have money after the holidays.
That is true. It is quiet in the office too.
Yes. Hey, did you read the news this morning?
No, I did not have time. I came straight to work. Why?
I saw a very interesting article in the Washington Post today. It is about work.
About work? Is it bad news?
No, I think it is good news. The article is from January 12, 2026. It talks about the UK.
What is happening in the UK?
The government there is voting on a new bill. It is called the 32-hour workweek bill.
32 hours? That is short.
Yes. It means people only work 4 days a week. They get 3 days for the weekend.
Wow. A 3-day weekend every week? That sounds like a dream.
Exactly. Imagine Alex. You can rest on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday.
That sounds nice. But wait, do they get the same salary?
The article says yes, same money, but less time in the office.
That is controversial. Companies will not like that.
I know, but the article says it helps with mental health. People are happier.
I agree people are happier. But how can we finish our work? I have so many projects.
You just work faster. Come on, Alex. Think about the free time. You can go to the park.
Or I can sleep more. But seriously, David, if we work only 4 days, the days must be longer.
Maybe, but I prefer 4 long days and 3 days off. I can watch more sports.
Of course. You always think about sports. Do you think this will happen here?
I hope so. If the UK does it, maybe we will do it in 2 or 3 years.
Maybe. But for now, we are here 5 days a week.
Sadly, yes. Speaking of home and relaxing, I saw another story. This one is crazy.
Oh no, what is it now?
It is about food and technology. I read it in USA Today. It was published on January 10, 2026.
Okay, tell me.
It is about a new smart fridge insurance plan.
A fridge, like in the kitchen?
Yes, insurance companies are offering a discount. A big discount, 20% off.
That is a good discount. What do you have to do?
You have to buy a special smart fridge. This fridge locks the door after 8 p.m.
Wait, it locks the door? You cannot open it?
Correct. You cannot open it until 6 a.m. the next day.
That is terrible. What if I am hungry at night?
You cannot eat. That is the point. They say it stops late night snacking.
So the insurance company controls my dinner?
Yes, they say it makes people healthier. Less sugar, less weight.
I do not like that. It feels like a prison in my own kitchen.
I know. I love my late night snacks. Sometimes I eat cheese at 11 p.m.
Me too. Sometimes I work late. I need a snack at 9 or 10 p.m.
If you have this fridge, you cannot eat. The machine says no.
That is too much technology. I want to choose when I eat.
The article says 5,000 people already signed up for it.
Really? 5,000 people?
Yes. People want to save money on insurance. Money is important.
Money is important, but freedom is more important. I will keep my old fridge.
Me too. I am not ready for a diet robot in my house.
It is a strange world, David. Technology is everywhere.
It is, and it is changing how we look too. Did you see the Boston Globe?
No, I only read emails this morning. What does the Boston Globe say?
There is an article from January 11, 2026. It is about social media.
I use social media a lot. What is the news?
It is called the Real Face Law. It is a new rule in France.
France again? They are very active this week.
Yes, the law says you cannot use filters on photos without a label.
A label, like a tag?
Yes, if you change your face on an app, you must put a text. The text says modified image.
Oh, I see. So people know it is not real.
Exactly. If you make your eyes bigger or your skin smoother, you must say it.
I think that is actually a good idea.
Really? You like it?
Yes, I think it is honest. Many young people feel bad because they see perfect photos.
That is true. But the photos are not real.
Exactly, but young people do not know that. This law helps them understand.
But Alex, I use filters sometimes. I like to look handsome.
You are already handsome, David. You do not need filters.
Thank you, but sometimes I look tired. A filter helps.
If you look tired, just drink more coffee. Do not lie to the internet.
That is funny. The article says the fine is $1,000 if you do not use the label.
$1,000? That is a lot of money.
Yes, so influencers are very angry. They say it is art.
It is not art. It is marketing. I support this law.
You are very strict today, Alex. No smart fridge, but yes to the photo law.
I like truth, and I like food. I do not like machines controlling my food.
Fair enough. I agree with the food part. I am hungry now.
Did you eat breakfast?
Only a banana. I need a donut.
We have a meeting in 10 minutes. You have time for a quick snack.
Good idea. But wait, is the meeting in the big room?
Yes, room 3 with the boss.
Okay, I must be ready. No jokes today.
Please, David. Be professional. The boss is serious about the new targets.
I know. I will be good. I will talk about the 4-day work week.
No, do not talk about that. The boss will not like it.
I am joking. I will talk about sales numbers.
Good. Stick to the numbers 1, 2, 3. Simple.
You are right. Well, my coffee is finished.
Mine too. It was nice to talk to you, David.
You too, Alex. These chats wake me up.
Yes, it is good to start the day with a conversation.
See you in the meeting room in 10 minutes?
Yes, don't be late.
I am never late. I am just relaxed.
Okay, Mr. Relaxed. See you later.
See you later, Alex. Have a good morning.
Time to get to work? Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.